How to create account in Edits and Instagram app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you have already installed the Edits and Instagram app. If you have, you can launch the app on your phone. After you're in the app, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, creating an account in Edits app is very easy and simple. If you have Instagram app installed on your phone and you are logged into your Instagram account over there, it will automatically recognize your Instagram account and it will show up like this over here. It is directly showing my Instagram account. So in order to create a new account in this app, all I need to do is tap on this continue with Instagram option. Now you need to tap on this join edits button at the bottom. You can select the permissions. And that's it. A new account has been successfully created using my Instagram account. You can now start exploring the app from here. So that's a very easy process to create an account in Edits app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.